Yo, today I'm going to be showing tips and tricks on End for beginners, but this ain't going to help any experienced players. So yeah, this is just for beginners. So let's go ahead and get on to it. Alright, in order to do this, do like clicks, any amount of clicks, and just miss one of the clicks, then instantly barrage. This is probably easier to do on PC, but make sure you have your sensitivity up high to do this. One thing I see beginners do a lot is they'll click and then they'll barrage and then they'll follow it up with like a strong punch or anything. Yeah, but that's never gonna work on anybody who has a brain, so don't do that. Whenever you're attacking somebody, you'll see like a yellow bar on like the right of your screen. If that ever goes down, that means that the combo's not true. But if it's like up, that means it is true. So yeah, if that goes down, it's not a true combo. Alright, one more thing beginners need to know is parry. So if like your opponent throws a strong punch, you can hold block and press B to do a parry, as shown. And then you can punish. This tip is like if you're getting clicked a lot, you can like, if you have the world, you're blocking the clicks, you can press counter to like do some damage and escape it. But this won't always work. So like if you have Golden Experience Requiem or King Crimson, that's not gonna work. Only like with White Snake in the world. Alright, turnarounds. If you have the world and your opponent is blocking, you can hurry up and like go around their block. Just a whole turnaround and go around their block. This also works with sticky fingers and the hand. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, that would help out a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. It's like 3 where I am. That's probably why I sounded dead during the whole video. But yeah, just thanks for watching. And note that these tips and tricks takes time to learn. So yeah, just practice.